Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel where I create magical, nerdy and weird things. Please ignore my voice, I'm sick as a dog. But it is weekend and I'm working on Monday, so I will finish this voiceover and if it ends me. This video will be quite different than what I usually make. Our D&D party got our DM a dice set made from his favorite stone, which is bloodstone. And of course, dice set like this needs special box. So in this video, I will show you the process of making the box. Let's first talk about dice set. I searched for bloodstone dice on Etsy and there was not that much hits. So I checked more or less every listing to filter out the dropshippers and then checked which small business ships to my home country. When I saw the seller has their own website, I ordered the set from their own store. Business is called Dakota Irish and I make variety of tabletop gaming accessories. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with them, but I love their creativity and their dog whiskey. And I would put the link to their shop in the description, but I checked them out yesterday and apparently their site closed. So that is a big loss to D&D community or just like goblin trinket enthusiasts. So yeah, but still, I'm really thankful for this set because it was amazing. I mean, it is still amazing. DM is using it every week. So first thing I did was measure the existing box, all the dice, and create some idea sketches. After that, I went to Leo with puppy eyes and asked him to 3D model the box from sketches that I made. We made some 3D prints to see if everything fits before committing to the actual production. As you can see, we tested the size including the fake leather and felt inlays. For the actual box, we use this piece of maple wood that I found in the scrap pile in the carpenter workshop and liked enough to salvage it. After the 3D model of the box was tweaked enough, Leo exported the G-code and it was time to start the CNC machine. This little boy is the new big boy toy that my neighbors got and instantly became a hit for all the creators in the village. It still needs a name though, so if you have any idea how to name a CNC, let me know in the comments. I will also try to remember and upload the 3D model of the dice box to my website. If I don't remember, remind me in the comments. After the CNC finished the work, it was time for finishing touches like manually cutting some rough parts and sanding. A lot of sanding. I hate sanding. I designed this sigil representing fair dice rolls, together with the raven's feather and arrow. I used the wood burning tool to burn the design in the wood. The box was fitted with fake leather inlays to protect the gemstone, using the exact same technique that you see me using to fit the felt in the 3D printed mockup. The wood needed to be protected somehow, so we mixed some dark brown pigment in the oil used for treating wood to get this nice color and protection. After the oil set in and cured, it was time for a D&D session and gifting. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the final result. The measuring and fitting the dice in the mockup was a nightmare, but hey, now I have a 3D model, so I can replicate it again, I think. I would also rethink the leather on the closure part and maybe use magnets to keep the box closed. But these are only two things that were bothering me. So for the next box that I'm gonna make, I'm just gonna keep that in mind. Anyway, if you are interested in more creative and art projects, feel free to subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Have a magical day. Bye!